Is anyone on? Hello? Guys, it's called Connect so we can talk. Don't abandon me in my time of need. Lana? Jackson? Anyone? Bevan?
Sometimes people put their phone down in the cafeteria, Simone. I'm appled up and on my way.
Good. I told student council this would be perfect. The last drone hook is done, and Project Candygram needs everyone on the ground, ASAP.
I thought we were flying drones, so technically in the air.
Lana, that's terrible. Okay, everyone, makerspace, now. Jackson, your plane filter means you are here, but I need you here, now. Seriously? How'd you do that?
I aimed my phone at the ground when I walked in so you wouldn't see me.
Yeah, but why?
Would you have laughed at the airplane filter otherwise? The laugh matters, that's why. Whoa. So how many drones at once?
I'll explain when Bevan gets here. Oh, perfect. Hey, Bevan.
What are you doing, Bev? Trying to figure out how to code a gymnastics sequence in my new game. I want to rotate the screen, but with less nausea than this.
Okay, Project Candygram has to be amazing. That's why I need you guys, 6 drones, 1 to each wing of the school. I programmed them all in this flight path app. Lana, can you check them?
Yeah, throw it up on Connect.
Okay.
Yes, I see what you're doing here.
These, filled with the best candy online, for like no budget, for every lucky Rowett High student whose friends want to send them a hey-o.
What's this?
Oh, that is just my best invention yet. When the camera moves down, the candy bag drops.
Oh my gosh, nice job, Ez.
Right? Drones plus hooks plus programmed flight paths equals boom! Rowett High covered in candy. Some people on student council thought it wasn't possible, but this guy online programmed his drone to fly like a fruit fly.
Simone, stop. Don't do anything.
Wait, why?
I love your candy hook, but you need to attach it the other way. The hook won't drop at the angle you have it.
Oh, no. But we need to fly these right at noon. I promised the principal they wouldn't interrupt. Jackson!
Jackson, go watch the lockers. And don't let anybody touch the drones.
Go watch a bag of flying candy go by and do nothing about it. Right. Jackson reporting live here from the lockers.
I love a mute button.
All right, and all fixed.
You guys are great. I couldn't do this without you.
I accept my payment in candy and lots.
T-minus, the bell is about to ring.
In 3, 2, 1. Drones up!
Whoa. Candy is flying. It's like a dream, but real life. But we're at school. And I'm not flying.
Don't distract us.
Fly like a fruit fly. Drop your candy joy.
Uh-oh. Guys, doorway. Simone, someone's opening up. No!
No, my candy grams!